Might walk up and sit down. What a place. Question for all you petrolhead motorsport enthusiast types. Can you name the oldest motorsport venue in the world still to run on the original track? Monza, Le Mans, Indianapolis, maybe? No? Me neither, I couldn't. Turns out it's here in the heart of Worcestershire. Welcome to Shelsley Walsh hill climb. Then we're going to go like...
Can you keep secrets in the flicker of the lights? You're the one temptation on the wrong side of the right. Somewhere in the high-stamp house she picks apart a rose. She passes me another drink and she keeps the curtains closed.
Okay, so here we have the paddock. This is where the cars will congregate, set up, get ready for the hill climb itself. When you're here on the day, visitors can walk around willy-nilly, get right amongst it, smell the petrol, see what the drivers are up to with their mechanics in setup. It's one of these venues that is wide open, or has been historically, and I'm sure is well different to anything you've ever experienced in motorsport. The spectators area is essentially a whacking great big hill that you have to walk up, but some of the views are utterly fantastic, and it's a great place to sit back, watch the guys come hooning up the hill and enjoy some of the sights and sounds. I'm not gonna lie, I've taken 5 minutes, a little bit out of breath. But the hill climb itself, I'm actually yet to experience. I'm about to experience for the first time, which I'm very excited about. So while you're here, make sure you take time to look up Shelsley Walsh on social media. They have a pretty amazing Instagram account. They have a YouTube account which live streams the events. Well worth a look if you like your motorsport on a Saturday and Sunday. I would recommend that you do that, and I will put links in the description below to make sure that you can do so. Right, so I'm about to go up the hill climb. A few house rules. So worth noting, what you may or may not know about this venue is that this is actually someone's driveway. Today it's not closed. People, farmers, could be coming down the hill, so I am not going to be hooning up there or racing or trying to set lap times. I'm just going to hopefully walk you up and show you a bit of the circuit whilst driving safely. So, that being said, I have got clear line of sight. It is a hill climb, and I am at the start, so I may give it the beans. Here we go. Right, so off the line, get a bit of grip, straight uphill, bit of a left, bit of a right, into a bit more of a left. Then it flattens out a bit, then it becomes very steep ahead of me. Up the hill, blind left, and it's a long, very, very steady one, and then you get sort of clear line of sight. You're aware that the hill is getting steeper. Left, chicane looks very flat, nice and easy. Then the hill goes up, bottoms out. I've got sleepers on my right, which look terrifying, and a huge chicane, which you do not want to touch, into a 90 left. Then a blind right, again, railway sleepers on the side, up the hill, and then you've got clear line of sight. So you've got a sort of a countdown all the way to the finish, where I would imagine if you were racing, you would hoon, you know, 150. Wow, what a place. And what a thing that must be to drive up at pace. It is both amazing and terrifying. There are no other words for that at all. Oh my word. This one's
just waiting on there.
That's it from me, guys. The only thing left to do is say a huge thank you to Gary Hall and the team here at Shelsley Walsh for having me on site and allowing us to film for the day. I look forward to seeing you guys soon and seeing more of the venue with you over the coming months. Cheers. Thank you so much for tuning into the channel. You are helping us making Car Mad Dad a 100% non-for-profit charity. That means your likes and subscriptions are going a real way to making a real difference in people's lives. Thank you so much for your support so far. It really means the world, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Cheers.